Uri muthi wa gukomithia unyui wa njohi gukiria kithimo na ubuthiri wa dawa cia kurebia thi yothe, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugitiri Raymond Omolo ateterithitie bata wa kunina muthutukanio wa aria manyuaga njohi gukiria kithimi na ubuthiri wa dawa cia kurebia na ithenya-ini riu gwikira binya bonge cia guteterithiria kurigiriria thina uyu.
We are working on towards rehabilitation, and also for those who are rehabilitated to be the ambassadors towards ensuring that we address the challenge that comes with drug abuse.
Unyui wa njohi no buthiri wa dawa cia kurebia ukoretwo gicungiriria wongerereku wa mogwati ugima-ini wa mwiri muturire-ini wa mundu. Murugamiriri wa Nakada John Muteti akiuga kaingi kiria aria mekoraga giterenge-ini giki mabataraga no kuonio wendo.
People who abuse drugs are shunned in the community. Some are rejected by their families and friends, while others are discriminated against and often turned away wherever they seek and whenever they seek help or even services. It is therefore upon us to embrace them and provide the hope they need to attain sobriety.
Uthuthuria uria wikitwo ni Nakada wonanitie ati andu milioni 3.3 gatagati-ini ka miaka 15 nginya miaka 65 makoragwo na mabuthira ma kunyua njohi bakubi bindi ciothe, kuria gatagati-ini kao andu 300,000 niyo makoragwo mebereirwo unyui-ini uyu. Thengia na njohi riboti ino yonanitie ubuthiri wa bake niguo ucokereirie na gicunji kia 8.3 baraigana, abuthiri a mira makinyitirira gicunji kia 4.1 baraigana, na wabuthiri ma bangi gicunji kia 1 baraigana, cocaine na heroin gicunji kia 1 baraigana.
We need to provide an avenue for people in recovery to get jobs, to view their opinion, because they are brilliant people. They are people. Remember, we said they are people.
Do not discriminate people struggling with alcohol or any other drug, because if you are not affected, you are infected in a way, because they are family, they are friends, and don't rebuke them, don't abuse them.
Mabuku-ini maria maruguritio ni Nakada niguo guteithiriria kuthomithia muingi mogwati maria mokanagia na unyui wa njohi ngiri ikiro na dawa cia kurebia uria mangirigiririo. Monanitie ati anyui a njohi gicunji kia 23.4 baraigana ni aruto a thukuru akuma ukuru wa miaka 15 nginya miaka 35. Ona thirikari ikigathaga mucibi niguo gutigirira ati ni yabitana no unyui mukiru wa njohi o udumwe na dawa cia kurebia. Muingi ni uritio kuoya ikinya na niguo guteithiriria aria meingiranitie no unyui uyu mukiru. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, njetago Masi wa Dia wa Murithi.